In 9 years, like we've never had to make a video like this. We've been on the platform for 9 years and somehow we've avoided this like serious video. But a lot of you guys have been asking about us and where the course is and with everything. And I wanted to be real with you and give you an update. We're struggling. It's so, like, I don't even know where to begin. Like, there's so many things that have happened this last year. Like, a year ago, Kev and I experienced a really significant loss. We're not ready to talk about it, but it really affected us. And it really made it challenging to just keep moving forward. And then I got sick. And then I got sick again. I had like long COVID and I got COVID again. And I was just really sick like all year. And me being really sick made it so I wasn't at 100%, but I kept working through all of my sickness even though I was sick, which was really hard. But we had so much work to be done, so I just kept pushing through. And then recently we had a few family emergencies. Kevin's father was in the hospital, and the same week my grandma quickly declined and is slipping away, and that's been really, really hard. We have such an incredible close relationship. So it's been really important to try to spend that time with family. All the emotions. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was gonna be this emotional. I don't know why, because I'm such an emotional person. But we planned a trip like a year ago to go away with my family. And in the 9 years that I've been working on this channel, every single vacation I've ever gone on, I've worked while I've been on the vacation and worked a lot. I really need to take a break from my mental health and not work. So I'm trying to take the time just to be with my family and to go on vacation and not have to worry about working. I've shared this in the past, so some of you might know that I struggle with depression and anxiety. I have to pay attention to my mental health because it's so much easier to catch myself before I fall than to try to pick myself up when I'm on the ground. And I was managing. Somehow, I was managing through all of it, barely, but like we were still going strong and still trying to do everything we could with his business. And then something really big happened with the course. I've been reading all your guys' comments and emails, people asking where the course is and being really worried about it and how to access it. So I wanted to make this video mainly for you guys to tell you what's happening and to assure you that we are tirelessly working on getting it to you in the way you deserve. For the past 4 years, we've been dreaming about making a course like this. And for the last 6 months, we have been hard, dedicated, plugging away at this, making it the best course that it can be. And like, it is amazing. It's so good. We finally decided to pull the trigger on the course and build this dream course because we were approached by a company who said that we could make an absolutely amazing course and it would be such high quality and would fill all of our course dreams. It is important to us that it was perfect because we put up so much great content online for free. We wanted to make sure if it was a paid product that was absolutely out of this world amazing. But instead of the company helping us deliver that amazing dream course that we were planning, 1 week before launch, it's so hard because like I can't actually tell you guys. I can't get into the specifics. Basically, all I can say is that we are parting ways. That's not going to happen now. And now we are going to build the dream team. We were building the dream team. We've already hired a couple people on to make the best course ever. It's just taking so much longer now because we're doing it all ourselves in the midst of everything. The thing is we've been trying to prioritize family and take the time for things in our lives that really matter. And we were able to juggle it. It was really hard, but we were able to just keep maintaining things while taking the time we needed to. But for the last 4 weeks nonstop, we have been dealing with the course. It has taken both of our time, so much time, so many endless meetings trying to deal with it. And that's why we're kind of in the position now that we just need to take the time. We did not account for those 4 weeks. And there's so many more weeks to come where we have to keep digging through all of this. And that's what makes it impossible to juggle everything. All of that time that we really didn't plan for. At first, it was a lot of sleepless nights and stress, anxiety, and just overwhelming emotions about all of it because this is the biggest project we've ever worked on. So to see it fall apart like just breaks my heart because this put us in an incredibly difficult position, but it's actually a good thing. I mean, Kevin is the silver lining guy and has forced me to realize that it's actually a good thing. But there were a lot of conflicts and we didn't really align on a lot of the vision for where we wanted this course to go and how amazing we wanted it to be. And now we get to take that control into our hands and make everything absolutely perfect. We're working on all the pieces and it's amazing. I can't even express how excited we are for you guys to get your hands on it. I mean, I wish I had this course when I was first starting out. It has literally everything that I've learned in the last 9 years as a cake decorator and more, because I pushed myself so much in this course to level up all my skills and recipes to make sure they were exactly where they needed to be for this course. And every piece of the course that I've seen so far is amazing. It's epic. It's fantastic. And I've watched all the different courses, cake decorating courses that are online right now. There's nothing like this. And it's so great. I know you guys are just going to love it when you get your hands on it. But that's kind of the point here. It's delayed. It's delayed a little bit. We were planning to launch in the fall, but obviously all the things said before in this video, we're trying to get it out to everyone who bought into it already before Christmas. That is our goal, and we're working so hard on it. But I can't guarantee any dates right now, but you guys will be the first to know. Everyone who's already bought into it and everyone who's on our wait list, you guys will be the first to know when the course actually launches and gets access to it. I will leave the information down below for anybody else who wants to join the wait list. Believe me, it's amazing. When it gets here, it's gonna be amazing. And there's also a bunch of other exciting projects that I'm really excited to share with you when they're ready. But I really just wanted to make this video just to be real with you guys and to level with you and say that I'm struggling a little bit and give you an update on the course, the update that you guys really deserved. I didn't want to leave you hanging and not knowing what was happening. But I love you guys all so much. You're amazing. I am so blessed to have such a loyal, amazing following that you guys are just here to support me and make me feel safe to be able to share the vulnerability that I am in this video. So I love you. I will see you soon when I'm not an emotional mess and we can make more fun cake videos together. Bye.